Hello, in front of me I've got DOOGEE S95 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to manage Google Pay app. Firstly, let's enter Google Pay, and as you can see, this is the homepage of Google Pay. From here you can add a payment method or manage your different types of cards or add them. Next, you can go to all your payment methods, full list of participating banks, and your full activity. Then we've got settings. In settings you can turn on or off email updates, Gmail imports, personalization within Google Pay, purchase notifications, updates about your passes, and offers and tips. Then we've got contactless setup, where you can turn on NFC, set payment method, see if your Google Pay app is set as default, and manage your lock screen settings and security requirements. Then we've got help and support, send feedback, and access to your Google account. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.